Hello, in this video we will continue with the functions and passing the array to the function. And let's write a function to find the minimum value of a array. So here let me declare a array. So let me say integer and a, okay, and let's say the length is, let me say len, and then let me declare a constant global variable here. So global, no, I'm sorry, not global, and int, and then let me use len, and then 5. Okay, so here let me just initialize it with some values. So for example, this could be 30, 20, 10, 50, and 40. Okay, so here I will write a function to find the minimum and return the minimum. Okay, so here let me just say, so because this returns, so it returns integer, and let me say find min, and the parameter is an array, so array of integers, and let me say a, okay, and so here I don't have to use variable, so because we have len here, so I can keep it empty. So let me say int, so I will use I because as the iterator, so I will use this in the for loop. And also we need a temporary variable, okay, so that is let me name it min. Okay, so first of all I initialize the min to the first element. So I say, okay, min is 30, and then I have a loop which iterates 4 times, and then I look at this one, the second element. I say, is this less than 30? If so, yes, update the min. So min is not 30 anymore, it is 20. And then I keep going. Is this less than 20? Yes, in that case update the min. Okay, so here I will say make the min equals to first element, okay, which is 0. And then we have a for loop. For loop I equals to not 0 but 1. If you make 0, still the program will work, but so there will be a redundant check. So there is no need to compare first item with the first item. Okay, so we start from the second element, and the condition is while I less than len, keep going, I plus plus. Okay, so in here we need to check to see if we should update the min value. So here I say if, okay, so if the element that we are looking at, for example a I, if this is less than the min that we have seen so far, then update the min. Okay, update it with the current value. Okay, we are not done yet. So after you look at all of the items, so in the for loop, at the end return the minimum. Okay, so return min. Okay, and so here you should call this, okay, so like this, min, and the parameter is a, okay, a, but this will return a value on the left side. We should capture that, okay. You can either assign it to a variable like this, min, or I can do this. I can say printf, and then min is percent I, and then let's go to the next line like this. I can put a period here. Okay, so in here, comma, and then this, and then close the parentheses. Okay, so this will return a value. As soon as it is returned, we display that on the screen. So let's see what this does. Okay, it works. So the minimum is 10. So what if 10 is at the first element? So will this work? So let me delete this. So let me run this. Okay, so still it works. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day.